Hello and welcome back to Mova DIY. You are watching part 2 of the Miffy keychain crochet tutorial. If you'd like to watch part 1, please check the pinned comment for the link. Now, let's get started with part 2. We will do the dress. We use light pink yarn and make a slip knot. Then chain 30. So that's 30 chains. Now we do a slip stitch into the first chain. And chain 1. In the first 5 chains, we do 1 single crochet in each chain. Here we got 5 single crochets. Then we chain 4. Now we skip 5 chains. And do 1 single crochet in the 6th chain. In the next 9 chains, we do 1 single crochet in each chain. Chain 4. Continue by skipping 5 chains. And working 1 single crochet into the 6th chain. And in the last 4 chains, do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Here we come to the end of round 1. We do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And chain 1. In round 2, we do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Here in the first stitch, we do 1 single crochet. We also do 1 single crochet in the second stitch. Repeat the same for the remaining stitches. By end of this round, we will have 28 stitches. I have crocheted to the end of round 2. Then we work a slip stitch into the first single crochet. We chain 2. Turn the work so that the back faces outward to continue crocheting from the last stitch. That last stitch will now count as the first stitch. In this round, we will only crochet into the front loop of each stitch. A stitch always has 2 loops. This is the front loop. In round 3, we do 2 double crochets in the front loop of each stitch. For example, in the front loop of the first stitch, we do 2 double crochets in the same loop. Then in the front loop of the second stitch, we also do 2 double crochets in the same loop. Repeat the same for the remaining stitches. By end of this round, we will have 56 stitches. Here we come to the end of round 3. Next, we do 1 slip stitch into the first double crochet. We chain 2. Do not count these 2 chains as a stitch. In round 4, we do 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now in the first stitch, we do 1 double-double. In the second stitch, we also do 1 double crochet. Repeat the same for the remaining stitches. By end of this round, we will have 56 stitches. Here we come to the end of round 4. Next, do a slip stitch into the first double crochet. We chain 1 and cut yarn. Then use a yarn needle to hide all tails. Finally, we complete it. First, I sew the arm between round 13 and round 14. Next, I will sew the body to the head. You can follow my sewing method shown on the screen. Then I put on the dress. I will use dark brown yarn to embroider the mouth between rounds 15 and 16 of the head. Next, I will prepare two 6mm safety eyes and attach them between rounds 14 and 15 of the head, spaced 4 stitches apart. Then, I will add some pink blush to the cheeks. Finally, I will use dark pink yarn to tie a bow and attach it to the ear. Part 2 has concluded. I have pinned part 1 in the comments. Thank you for watching.